Do you keep seeing 1234 on clocks? Coincidence, you might have thought at first. But then it keeps happening. 1234, again and again. It's not chance. It's your angels trying to tell you something important. Are you ready to discover what it means? Hi, I'm Sia. In this video, first, we're unraveling the exciting mysteries of why you keep seeing 1234 on clocks. Then, at the end, we'll intertwine it with your birth numbers to unveil a critical message about your future destiny. More on that later. Let's start. The angelic and numerological significance of 1234. In the world of angel numbers, where each digit carries a whisper from the universe, 1234 stands out as a sequence laden with special meaning. 1234 marks a journey from the individuality of one, symbolizing fresh starts and bold initiatives, to the stability of 4, representing steadfastness and determination. This pattern speaks directly to your personal growth and evolution. Each time 1234 appears in your life, it's as if the angels point you towards this path of progress. The number 1 is your cue from the celestial realm to embark on new ventures or to adopt new perspectives. 2 reminds you of the power of balance and collaboration, emphasizing the angelic message of harmony in relationships. With 3, the angels encourage creativity and communication, nudging you to express your inner truths. And 4, solid and reliable, is the angel's way of ensuring you build a robust and enduring foundation for all your endeavors. When you see 1234, consider it a divine nudge to focus on these aspects of your life. The angels use this number to ensure your journey is harmonious, balanced, and accurate to your soul's purpose. The synchronicity and psychology of 1234. The concept of synchronicity, introduced by Carl Jung, suggests that the recurrence of 1234 goes beyond mere chance. It could be a meaningful coincidence, an alignment of external events with our internal thoughts and feelings. This synchronicity might be nudging us to pay attention to something important, a subconscious awareness manifesting in our conscious world. From a psychological perspective, seeing 1234 repeatedly can also be explained by the frequency illusion, or the Baader-Meinhof phenomenon, where something recently noticed suddenly appears everywhere. This cognitive bias tells us that our attention to 1234 might be more about where we direct our focus. Whether viewed through a spiritual, psychological, or synchronistic lens, 1234 prompts introspection. It's an invitation to examine our current life stage, to reflect on our journey, and to consider what these alignments mean for us. 1234, a mirror to your spiritual path. When you see 1234, consider it a mirror reflecting your spiritual journey. This sequence isn't just about time, it's a symbol of your inner growth and the alignment of your soul with the universe. In spiritual circles, seeing 1234 is often seen as a sign that you're on the right path and that your actions and intentions are in harmony with your spiritual purpose. For you, 1234 could be a reminder to stay connected to your spiritual practices or to start exploring this aspect of your life more deeply. It might be an invitation to meditate, reflect on your beliefs, or engage in activities that nourish your soul. Every time this number appears, it's an opportunity for you to pause and reconnect with your spiritual essence, ensuring that your actions are driven by the clock and a deeper, more meaningful rhythm. Your personal growth and 1234. Repeatedly encountering 1234 can signal a phase of accelerated personal growth for you. This unique timestamp is like a beacon, highlighting areas of your life ripe for development. The sequential nature of 1, 2, 3, and 4 in 1234 suggests a journey of progression and learning, where each step builds upon the last. For you, this might mean it's time to focus on personal development. Are you moving forward in your career? Are you cultivating healthy relationships? How are you fostering your creativity and expression? The appearance of 1234 encourages you to evaluate and invest in these areas, reminding you that growth is a continuous process, and every moment holds the potential for advancement and improvement. 1234 and your daily routine. As mundane as it may seem, seeing 1234 on the clock regularly can influence your daily routine. This isn't just about noting the time, it's about recognizing a pattern that could guide you to make more mindful choices throughout your day. How you respond to this pattern can bring small but significant changes to your life. For instance, if you often see 1234 just before lunch, it might prompt you to make healthier eating choices or to take a moment of gratitude for your meal. If it appears in the middle of a busy workday, it could remind you to take a short break, breathe, and realign your focus. In essence, 1234 can become a cue for you to pause and consider how your actions at that moment align with your larger goals and well-being. The synchronistic message of 1234 in your life. The repeated sighting of 1234 can be a synchronistic message, a cosmic signal that you're exactly where you need to be. It's as if the universe is aligning itself with your inner clock, assuring you that your timing is perfect. This synchronicity can serve as a powerful affirmation, especially if you've been questioning your decisions or the direction of your journey. For you, each encounter with 1234 is a reassurance that you're in sync with the more significant flow of life. It's an encouragement to trust your instincts and continue following your path, even if the destination isn't clear yet. Please pay close attention. Shortly, I'll show you how to use this with your birth number to reveal a vital message about your life's destiny. 1234 and its impact on your relationships. In the context of relationships, 1234 can hold significant meaning for you. This number sequence might appear when your relationships are evolving or need attention. It's a reminder to evaluate how you communicate and connect with others, encouraging you to foster relationships that are in harmony with your growth. If you're seeing 1234 frequently, ask yourself, do your relationships reflect the values and progression that 1234 symbolizes? This could be the perfect time to initiate meaningful conversations, express your feelings more openly, or bring balance into your relationships. Whether with a partner, family, or friends, 1234 is a sign of nurturing connections that resonate with your personal development and spiritual journey. Embracing change with 1234. Change is a constant in life. Seeing 1234 regularly could signify that you're entering a transformation phase. This number sequence is a beacon during the transition, guiding you to embrace change with positivity and resilience. It symbolizes the progression from one stage to another, assuring you that the changes you're experiencing lead you to growth and new opportunities. For you, 1234 is a reminder to stay adaptable and open-minded. Whether it's a career change, a move to a new place, or a shift in your beliefs, this number encourages you to welcome these changes as part of your evolution. It's an invitation to let go of the old and make room for the new, to trust that this transition is a crucial step in your journey of self-discovery and fulfillment. 1234 as a catalyst for mindful living. The recurring sight of 1234 in your daily life offers a powerful opportunity for mindful living. Each instance you notice these numbers is a gentle nudge towards being fully present, encouraging you to embrace the now rather than being entangled in memories or future plans. It's a call to appreciate life's journey in all its nuances, finding beauty and significance in the simplest moments. When 1234 catches your eye, see it as a prompt for introspection. Ask yourself, are you living in the present or carried away by worries or daydreams? It's a perfect checkpoint to realign with mindfulness. Whether taking a moment to breathe deeply, savoring a peaceful pause, or actively engaging with your current environment, 1234 is your guide to the richness of the present moment. This practice of mindful awareness, triggered by seeing 1234, can transform the ordinary into the extraordinary, deepening your connection with life's unfolding tapestry. The creative inspiration of 1234. 1234 isn't just a time on the clock. It can also be a creative inspiration for you. This sequence symbolizes a seamless flow of ideas and the natural progression of creative thought. It's an invitation to remain open to inspiration, reminding you that your next great idea could emerge at any unexpected moment. Embrace the instances when you encounter 1234 as a springboard for creativity. Let this be when you pause to record a sudden insight, doodle a spontaneous design, or contemplate a solution to a creative challenge. These small acts of creativity, inspired by the repeated sighting of 1234, can cumulatively lead to substantial creative achievements. This number sequence encourages you to unlock your creative potential, urging you to explore and express your ideas in vibrant, innovative ways. It's a reminder that within the framework of the ordinary, extraordinary bursts of creativity await your discovery and manifestation. Coping with the mystery of 1234. While there's magic in the mystery of 1234, it can sometimes be perplexing or even unsettling, especially if it appears too frequently. If you are overwhelmed by these repeated encounters, it's essential to maintain a balanced perspective. Remember, while numbers can have significant meanings, they are just a part of our everyday experience. If the repetition of 1234 starts to cause anxiety, step back and ground yourself. Focus on the tangible aspects of your life, your friends, hobbies, or even daily tasks. Balancing your attention between the mystical and the mundane can help you appreciate the former without being consumed by it. Let 1234 be a part of your world, not the entirety of it. This balance will allow you to enjoy its mystery without letting it overshadow the richness of your everyday life. Remember earlier, I mentioned seeing this number means a critical message about your future is waiting? The next step is to unlock that vital message. You should now click the link in the description below to do that. There, you'll receive a free personalized reading and a free copy of my mini book, Decode Your Destiny. Upon completion, you'll have unveiled your future pathway and elevated your success, spirituality, happiness, and health. You should click the link below now to move with complete conviction in life. The results will surprise you. You'll uncover important qualities about yourself you didn't know existed. It's entirely free using the link below.